Y'all, Magnolia May DeSolay here. I wanted to do a quick video on a new Digi-Kit in Hallie's Etsy shop, and it is based on the Classics Booksmith challenge that she did of Pride and Prejudice. So I got that right here. Let me show you. So you can see a difference right away with the spine. You got a couple different spine options on the Digi-Kit, but because this one, I have my ruler here. Look at this. This measures 3 inches, but then the paper part just sprung up, and that's quite a bit. So only difference from when she did that video is I said, well, honey, you need an eye on the peacock. And so I gave her a little bit of bling there. And then she also did a collage on that cover because that looked just a little bit naked. So, okay, so I'm going to set that aside and we'll go through the Digi-Kit. So it comes in a couple different sizes. So you can do, what's this measure? Let's see here. Okay, so this one measures 6 by 8 3/4, and what it is it's a little bit bigger, so you can wrap it around so it doesn't just fit on the cover. And then here's the spine, and you can do all kinds of closures, but what I did with this one is I put a little bit of bling there and just glued it on with this pretty ribbon. So, and there's the spine, and there is a 3-inch spine option on there if you want a big one. This one was, I think it was bigger, but then I just, sort of tucked it around. This is that borax box that I showed in my junk journaling video. I'll link that down below. But anyway, there's the spine. And then there's the back, and that just looks like the back of the journal. So let's go on in. And so the kit comes with this pretty old handkerchief, I guess, with the embroidery, and then I backed it with, I just printed that on out, and that comes with the kit, and I backed it on Tyvek, so it's real strong. And then there's the background there, and then this is, I'm trying to remember, she has these in there. I don't know if she does. This is the artwork based on one of the artists that did the Pride and Prejudice artwork, and so it's all those, and it's I think it's 20 couple images. But anyway, this is when his friend Mr. Benjley says, "Come, Darcy," said he, "I must have you dance." So that's the first cover, and then we'll go on here, and I put some lace here, and then this is also a tuck spot, and this is a tag or journal tag, or whatever you want to do. You could do pockets with that, whatever. And then I really did just use a lot of leftover rejects. This is really a junk journal because I used a lot of stuff that Hallie didn't use for hers, and I added some, she just didn't have enough lace in hers, so I added some paper clips with a little bling and such. And so here's some of the pages, and of course got your ledger, and that's that. Oh, and then she did she had some rose pages she ended up not using, so I went ahead and put those in there. And so there's the pages. Y'all know what that is. Tea stained, and the inkjet staining that she did. Another rose page. So that's that first insert. And then there's the back of it. And then we got this one, another little bit of bling, and I just put lace, little sort of lace pocket. Well, this isn't really pocket, the other one is, but, and then here's the tuck spot, and again, with just rejects that she didn't use in hers, and a few of the real pretty inkjet papers that she used. And then, let's see. Keep going, keep going. So how many inserts did I put 3 inserts in here, and there's a back. And then here's another one. And then, will you do me the honor of reading that letter? He says to Miss Elizabeth Bennet. So there we go with that. And you can see the background of the lacy handkerchief that she printed. It was a misprint. Anyway, it's supposed to be front and back, and it was just all front and front. So there we go with that. And let's see, keep going. Oh, more ledger, more roses. So there's that. And so you get the idea. It's just all a bunch of real junk journal pages. And then here's the back, and that's Tyvek, so it's real sturdy, and you got your lace and such. And then there's the back of the insert, and then on the back here, I just now let me show you. Also with the kit comes these what you call wax seals, and you just print them on out, and then you can, and I laminated these, and then on the back, instead of trying to match these up, which if you got a cranky printer, and I gotta say, Hallie was getting pretty cranky. That's why she did this. She just put stripes on the back, so you don't have to be so precise with you don't have to be so fussy with your fussy cutting, is what I'm saying. And you just cut these on out. So, so that's what I did right here. And then what's nice about that is that it has the red. See, you can just let it hang off, and it's got the red. It's not all white. Or you could just glue it right on down. And another option is that you could, let's see if she has it. No. Oh, yeah. Here we go. So the first set she did, she printed them on out, and then she just Mod Podge collaged some tissue paper down, and that's got a real nice texture too. So that's another option you could do if you didn't want to use all your ink printing out wax seals. Okay, so now here comes the fun part. We're gonna do a giveaway because we got 500 people on the channel, subscribers now. So just what do they say, just like, subscribe, and comment down below, and comment with your favorite junk journaling thing that you like. So if it's ledger, if it's lace, if it's Digi-Kits, or whatnot, whatever, just comment down below with your favorite junk journaling thing, tool, or whatnot. And then so that's the first person. That's the first prize. And then the second prize, I'll go ahead and send these wax seals, and you're going to hear the phone in the background, but that's all right. I'm going to keep going. And then this tag that we went ahead and sewed, not too good though. And then, oh, I forgot to tell you. Okay, so here's another thing you can do with the kit. So this is the other size. It's about an A6 size, which is, let's see, and depending on the spine, so you can make it as chunky as you want, but it's about almost 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. But then you can make this even bigger if you wanted by just putting gold around, you know, or a border around. So it don't have to be this small. It could be even bigger if you wanted. Or you could do one, you know, with this. But those are the two sizes that come in the kit. What else do I got? So, okay, so I'm putting that aside. And then here's another journaling card that's going to come with the wax seals, and I think I got one more journaling card. So there you go. And then you could actually make your own cover with that. So, all right. So like, subscribe, and comment, and with your favorite junk journaling thing. I'm a Bob, and we'll have the drawing next. Let's do the drawing next. I don't know, Thursday. I guess a week from today. That would work. All right. Bye.